Onion Creek is a truly beautiful ranch situated in the hill country of Gillespie and Mason counties. The ranch lies off of Onion Creek Road, approximately 5 miles from the small community of Doss and about 27 miles northeast of Fredricksburg. This 340-acre property boasts sprawling views of oak trees, and the rolling terrain is home to deer, turkey, and axis deer. Several blinds and feeders have been strategically placed around the property, providing great hunting opportunities. There is an impressive water system set up to serve all parts of the ranch, and heavy-duty fencing surrounds the acreage with cross-fencing and cattle guards for ease of access to all portions of the property. A comfortable cabin with an attached shed rests on the northern edge of the ranch, along with a workshop and storage barn. This property is an ideal setup for ranching and recreation, or it can simply be a weekend retreat. If someone is looking to be in the country while enjoying what nature has to offer, this property checks off all the boxes. For your own private showing, please contact Rick Gomert at 361-275-6915 or Ray Powell at 210-347-6493.